Hi, Doug here. So I am playing with fog again, and I got the laser set up. So I got my ND-YAG laser set up here for my green light, and I'm sending coherent laser dot in to a single precision slit here. And what it's doing is I'm recreating the famous double slit experiment in quantum physics. I'm using a single slit here, where when light passes through a slit, it's like a wave passing through an orifice. It will interfere as it spreads out with each other, two wave fronts, and you get positive and negative waves that will give you constructive and destructive interference. So for example, if we look at the backside here, see that banding on the lens? That is your standard interference pattern you see when light interferes with itself passing through an orifice. So I'm now taking that interference light, passing it into this lens here, which culminates it to a precision point. And right at that sharpest point, I'm passing it through a secondary slit. Both these slips are calibrated to be the same aperture or width apart within a few microns. And I'm now sending that interfered light pattern, which you see here, through that secondary slit. And here's where the magic happens. I get a straight line. There's no interference. I am passing light through a slit and there's no interference pattern. Proof of point. I'm going to take my finger here and I'm going to move this second slit out of the way. And look, there's that interference pattern I was talking about. That's what happens when light passes through an orifice. But by me dialing this in just perfectly, you can see that we just get a single beam here and without the interference. And if we get closer here, that's just smearing on the lens because obviously it's not a perfect optical lens. But I figured that was pretty cool. I've never seen that done before. I'm doing the famous split experiment to create the interference pattern, but I'm then culminating it back using the same interference to then construct and destruct to get rid of it, to cancel it out and produce a straight line again, which is pretty cool. Anywho, never seen this done. Let me know in your comments and what you think. Thanks for watching.